Hi friends, my name is Kapil Goyal, and in this tutorial I will teach you how can you select all data from allocant and how can you fetch only one record using allocant. Now as you can see, this is our working directory. Now first we have to define one root in the roots folder in the web.php file. Now but first we will go to the documentation of Laravel 8. Now as you can see, the syntax of the roots has been changed in the Laravel 8. Now first we will include our controller in the root file. Now you can change the controller name here. Now our controller name is block controller, so we will write block controller here. Now the next step is copy this from here and now go to your root file, copy the controller name here, change the slug. First we will fetch all the records from the block table. Here you have to change your function name here, all function. You can give any name which you want. Now we can save the root file. As you know, we have already created the root file in the model file in the models folder blog.php in the last videos. Now we will use this model file in the controller for fetching our data. Now the next step is we will go to our controller, app http controllers and block controller. This one is our controller. Now first we will include the model file in the top. We will do all the CRUD operation from this file. Now we have to include this file in the top. Use app models / our model name is blog, so we can type blog here. Now the next step is we will create a function here, function. Now what we will do next, we will make a variable here, result equal to, copy this and here double colon. Now we will write a function here, all. Now it will fetch all the records from the blocks table, from this table. Now we will write a for each loop here. And this will be result. Now if I want to fetch only title, then what we will do, result, and here we will write the column name. Now save this. Now if I go to my browser and type this URL, as you can see our server is already started. Now we will write the URL. Now if I refresh this, it is showing nothing because we have to write echo here. Now if I save this and run this, you can see the titles of both rows. Now I want to show it in the next line, so we can use br tag here. Now if I refresh it again, then it will show in the next row. Now I only want to fetch only one record. Now I am going to change the slug find, and here we can change the function name. Copy this, and now I am going to create another function. We can remove this one. Now we will create a new function here. Now we will use this model again, find, and I want to fetch this first record from this table with the user ID. Now we can give the ID of this row. I will save this result in the variable. Now we will not use any for each loop because we are fetching only one record. Now echo title, this is our column name. Now if I go to the browser again, as you can see our server is already started. Now type URL here. Now you can see the title of this first row. I want to fetch the title of second row, then change this ID here. As you can see the second row ID is 4. Now if I refresh this again, here you can see the second row title. Now thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.